Hey guys, welcome to discussion number 9. So real quick, I'm just going to tell you something I finished in my homemade fire alarm system really recently. But I think like 2 days ago, I finished a new BG12 pull station. But I don't have a video of it demonstrating it on my fire alarm channel yet, but tomorrow I will be going back to my mom's house where the BG12 is, and I'll be doing a video on my fire alarm channel demonstrating it. But now let's get to discussion number 9. So in this discussion, I'm just going to talk about a fire alarm that I'm definitely going to get. A fire alarm I'm definitely going to get when I move in April. So I'm definitely going to get a simplex T-bar, because I just really wanted one of those, so I wanted to get one of them. And T-bars I like are the dual action 2099 9756 pull stations, and I also like the 4251 20s. Those are pretty good ones too. And also I'm also going to be looking at a 2099 9001 all the way through the 9003, or I think they also have a 9004. I almost forgot, or I did forget actually. What was I should fix what I say. But yeah, I'm definitely going to have a simplex T-bar through the end of April. So in the beginning of May, I'm probably gonna do a system test using the T-bar, and I might use another pull station. But since the T-bar is gonna be so new, I just want to feature the T-bar by itself, and not with any other pull stations, because I just wanna have fun with the T-bar. The new T-bar that I'm going to have. But that was discussion number 9. And bye. And still, please remember, there's no more outro on this channel, but I still have the outro on my fire alarm channel. But bye.